Hello, and welcome to another edition of In the Kitchen with Dave. I'm Dave Wallace. I'm the owner of Bittersweet Herb Farm. We are a small, family-owned gourmet food business located in the western Massachusetts, the Berkshires of Massachusetts. We've been around for almost 40 years now, and actually we've won a lot of major awards for our products over the years. They're all natural. There's no artificial flavors, no preservatives, no fillers. They are also vegan friendly, plant based, and something's starting to smoke here. Starting to turn down a little bit. Uh, yeah, I think I covered it, didn't I?
Yep.
I did okay. Okay, so I'm going to start right away here, and then this is a little hot. Um, well, because it is Lent now, a lot of people are eating fish on Friday, so we decided we were going to do a couple of fish recipes. So using our Cajun spice. So it is going to be a little spicy. The first one I'm going to do here, get started with, is a breaded fish. So I'm going to dredge it through some flour here. This is a gluten-free, I think it's King Arthur's gluten-free all-purpose flour. And then now the egg I've beaten with maybe a tablespoon or so of oat milk. Now again, you can use water or you can use, just regular milk. Now in the breadcrumbs here, there's about a quarter of a cup of breadcrumbs, and I've put about a tablespoon of the Cajun seasoning in it. Now, our seasonings are all salt and sugar free, so there is no salt in here. Now, normally a normal Cajun seasoning, either the first or second ingredient in it is going to be salt. So you may want to add salt right to the breadcrumbs before you cook. All right, so I've got this on the smaller burner. It's not looking as hot as this one. Now, I've used safflower oil here. I like safflower oil because it's got a high smoke point. Olive oil, I think, is around 375 degrees. Safflower oil is 510 degrees. Now, the problem that some people say is that, once you go above 375 degrees with the olive oil, it starts to break down and is potentially carcinogenic. The safflower oil is just as healthy as olive oil, so I really prefer to use it myself. Now in here I have a tablespoon of my favorite plant-based butter, which is the Mayokos butter, and I have about 3 tablespoons of our chili pepper and roasted garlic jam. No, that's not right.
No, it would be oil.
Chili pepper, roasted garlic, oil. Yeah, I got that right. Okay, so now I'm just going to take another fillet, and I am going to sprinkle some of this Cajun right on here. And ooh, yeah, that's going to be hot. So try to get it as even as possible. And that was, maybe a teaspoon I put on there. We'll throw this in here, and I'm pretty sure this is pretty hot to begin with. And then I'm just going to sprinkle the other side. And I chose flounder today because flounder is very thin, and this is going to cook very quickly, I hope.
Wow.
Yeah, well, you may not want to try that one.
I probably will.
I like it really, really hot, personally. All right, quickly, while this is cooking, I have some announcements for you. First off, we still have our February special going, our February giveaway going. Only a few days now left. So if you want to enter, just go on any of our social medias. You'll see the picture for the February giveaway and enter. And you have a chance to win. Let's see, what else do we have here? Do you want me to say this again?
I do.
I'm getting good at it now.
Yeah.
The February Diet Blues Buster Collection. It's our top 5 selling finishing sauces. Comes boxed with some recipes and a basting brush. And the great thing about it is that you can make the same meal every day and just add a different sauce, and it's like you have a whole new meal. So that's $52,
Yes.
correct? See, I'm starting to learn some of this stuff. Oh, yeah, well, join our email list, because if you join our email list, you will find out in advance of sales that we have coming up. Also, there's always great recipes, and sometimes we have some other interesting stuff in there. Now, I'm just going to take a look at this because I don't want to burn it. Oh, perfect. All right, and I'm going to let that go just a second longer. While the Eat Well, Be Well collection right here. This is going to be our giveaway for March.
No, that's our February giveaway.
That's our February giveaway.
For using.
And we are going to be using it for all of our recipes for the month of March.
Correct.
Yes.
You got it.
In here, we have the wasabi ginger finishing sauce. We have the raspberry and fig balsamic vinegar. We have the garlic and rosemary oil, the zesty garlic, which is one of my favorite seasonings, and the picante, Southwest picante. All right. I think that's
You
it.
got it.
Yeah. It wasn't easy, but I did it.
You can talk about the tartar sauce.
Oh my goodness. So, well, maybe you should talk about the tartar sauce. Because it's made with our sun-dried tomato and horseradish.
Yeah.
But I don't even know how to make a tartar sauce.
Well, it was just a cup, a quarter of a cup of sweet pickle relish, a tablespoon of our sun-dried tomato and horseradish, and a half a cup of mayonnaise. You can use the veganese or the mayonnaise, and mix it together. Let it sit for about a half hour in the refrigerator in an airtight container, and you take it out, stir it up, and you're good to go.
And that recipe is on the website?
I put the recipe on the website this morning.
Okay. I think this one is done. I have a platter for this. So you can't tell how long we've been on, right? Because that's been cooking for less than 5 minutes?
We've been on for 7 minutes.
Okay, so maybe 5 minutes. Now, I'm using flounder here because it is very thin. It's going to cook very fast. You can use cod, haddock, pollock. I've blackened salmon with it before. My favorite is catfish because that's kind of a traditional fish to use for blackening. So this I'm going to take off because I'm relatively sure that it's done. This I would have liked to have blackened a little bit more. Let's see what the other side looks like. Oh yeah, the other side is a little bit more blackened. All right, but for the sake of expediency, I'm going to take it out and give it a try right now, and then we'll be done for the day. You know what? I'm going to leave the burners on because I'm going to cook up the rest of this when we're done.
Yes.
Okay. Oh, we got to try it. That's right. Now, I did not put any salt either in the breadcrumbs or when I put the blackening sauce on. So this, in my opinion, is definitely going to need some salt. But I know you're...
And definitely not in my opinion.
That's right. You are low salt, no salt, correct?
Correct.
Someday I will... okay. Just happen to have another fork.
Thank you. And this is the Cajun first.
Okay. Oh, you're going to do the hotter one first. Uh-oh.
Very good.
Yeah?
Yes.
Is it too hot for you?
It's not not too hot. It's got a good kick to it, but it's not too hot.
Okay.
And the fried.
Yeah, I can't wait to try this tartar sauce.
The fried is very good. Very good.
Oh man, that tartar sauce just makes the whole thing. Wow.
Takes the bite out of the spicy one.
It does. It definitely does. Okay, well, I think we're all done.
Yes.
All right. Well, thank you so much for watching. And remember, eat well to be well with Bittersweet Farm. Have a good day.